Hi everyone! The Galaxy S23's primary and Samsung exclusive color variants were leaked earlier today. Now, it is time for credible information on the RAM and storage configurations that Samsung will offer with its upcoming high-end smartphones. According to tipster Arnd Quader, Samsung will offer the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus in two memory configurations: 8 GB of RAM plus 256 GB of storage and 8 GB of RAM plus 512 GB of storage. The most commonly available version will be the one with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is claimed to be available in 4 configurations: 8 GB of RAM plus 256 GB of storage, 12 GB of RAM plus 256 and 512 GB of storage, and lastly 12 GB of RAM plus 1 TB storage. The most widely sold variant of the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be the one with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Samsung is still not completely upgrading the base storage space with the Galaxy S23 series though. The 128 GB versions of the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus will reportedly be available in very few countries. Most countries will start at 256 GB base storage space. This information has been termed credible by legendary tipster Ice Universe. Samsung is upgrading the RAM and storage speeds with the Galaxy S23 series. The devices will feature LPDDR5X RAM, which is 50% faster than LPDDR5 RAM used in the Galaxy S22. The South Korean firm is also upgrading storage speeds with its upcoming phones. The Galaxy S23 series will feature UFS 4.0 storage, which is capable of 4,200 megabits per second sequential read speeds and up to 2,800 megabits per second sequential write speeds. That's 2x compared to UFS 3.1 storage's 2,100 megabits per second sequential read speeds and 1,200 megabits per second sequential write speeds. As we are so close to release, we have, naturally, accumulated a ton of leaks, which more or less tell us what to expect from the Galaxy S23 series. We can even imagine how the three phones are going to look, especially now since their supposed official colors have also been leaked. So, Phone Arena has made a series of renders, showcasing how the trio of Galaxy S23 phones are going to look. They aimed for accuracy in size, design, and colors. While the final products may end up being slightly different, the design is pretty close. What do you think? Comment down below. See you tomorrow. Peace out.